Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to take a look at a pen I got from watchgang.com. I had actually originally done it as a box opening, but unfortunately the sound was super crappy. So I decided just to reshoot it because I wanted to get the pen out there. To keep it watch related, I am still wearing that Laco JU52. If you want to check out, I'm giving away one of the Laco watches. If you want to check that out, I'll link to that video in the comments below. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I've actually gotten quite a few pens from Randall over at Watchin. It's just a personal touch, not machine made. Watchin.com. I always say follow him on Facebook at Watchin. It's a pretty good way to see what he's working on. He also has an email you can send to him, Randall at watchin.com. So today the pen we're going to take a look at, I saw him, he was testing out some new styles, and I saw him make this twist ballpoint pen. And if you look, we've got Hot Wheels there, and I am a huge car nerd. I actually have a number of project cars, and I have a fairly substantial Hot Wheels collection. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to pan my camera up here and take a look at the wall. And unfortunately, that's not even all of them. So I have quite a few Hot Wheels. Most of them are either Volkswagens or Mopars. And yeah, like I said, I'm a big car nerd as well as a watch nerd. And as soon as I saw Randall make this pen, I knew it was one I had to have for my my collection. So let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.